Namaste to all dear warriors. Here I am with a new video relating to advanced accounting short question series, and we are going to discuss November December 2021 last year question paper. Okay, so without wasting further more time, let us discuss in detail. In this you are having 4 problems and 4 theory questions. Define partnership deed, give main elevations of share capital of the company, reissue of forfeiture of shares, okay, and distinguish between shares and debentures. Okay, our motto is relating to problems, so let us discuss about problems. Similar type of question previously also asked. A and B share profits in the ratio of 5:3. They admitted C as a partner. Their new share profit sharing ratio is 7:5:4. Calculate sacrificing ratio. So let us do the answer relating to it. So we are dealing November December 2021 question number 2, calculation of sacrificing ratio of A and B. Old profit sharing ratio of A and B is 5:3, that is 5/8 and 3/8. New profit sharing ratio of A, B and C is 7:5:4. So 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 4 16. It will be 7/16, 5/16, 4/16. Okay, sacrificing ratio formula you just remember. Sacrificing ratio is equals to old minus new ratio, and gaining ratio is equals to new minus old. Okay, so here sacrificing ratio we are doing old ratio minus new ratio. A's sacrificing ratio is equals to A's old ratio 5/8 minus new ratio 7/16. So if you take the LCM of 8 and 16, it will be 16, because 8 ones are 8 twos are, so 8 into 1 into 2 will become 16. 18 into 8 into 1 8 and 8 into 2 16. So first LCM చేయాలి మనం. And in 8 table, when 16 will go, 16 will go in 8 table. 8 twos are 16, so 5 into 2 10. Similarly in 16 table, when 16 will come, 16 16 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? 16 16లనే కదా, ఒకట్ల కదా. సో 1 into 7 7, so 10 minus 7, it will be 3/16. Next, B is sacrificing ratio 3/8 and 5/16. So again LCM will be 16. Okay, simply 8 table, how when will come 16? 2s are 8 2s are 16, so 3 into 2 6. 16 table 16 will come 16 ones are, so 1 into 5, it will be 5. So 6 minus 5, it is how much? 1. So 3/16 1/16. Therefore sacrificing ratio is equals to of A and B is equals to 3:1 or 3/4 1/4. This is how we need to do sacrificing ratio. So let us discuss one more. Some are asking to explain in Telugu also. क्या करना है बोले तो ये इंग्लिश तेलुगु हिंदी मिक्स करके बता देता हूँ. जो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है वो whatever important point is there, I'll try to explain it in English, Telugu and Hindi, and total video will be in English, so that video size should be as less as much. Okay, time duration कम करने के लिए. From the following particulars, calculated weighted time ratio for pre and post incorporation period and divide the total wages accordingly. Date of incorporation 1st May 2018. Period of financial accounts It begins on 1st April and ends on 31st March 2019. Total wages rupees 1,80,000. Number of workers pre-incorporation 4, post-incorporation 20. This is what? Weight. So time ratio into weight, if you do, you will get weighted time ratio. So let us do that one. Here we are discussing question number 5. Working notes are data given. ऐसा आप क्वेश्चन को और क्लियरली मेंशन करते हुए ఆన్సర్ को बढ़ा सकते हैं. మనం కొంచెం డేటా ఎక్కువ రాసి ఏం చేయాలి, ఆన్సర్ని పెంచాలి. డేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్కార్పొరేషన్ 1st May 2018. పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ అకౌంట్స్ 1st April to 31st March 2019. So total payment of wages 1,20,000. Number of workers pre-incorporation 4, post-incorporation 20. This is what given. So pre-incorporation period will be, okay, 1/4/2018 to 30 April 2018, because date of incorporation is 1st May. So before that date will be the pre-incorporation date. So 1 month is pre-incorporation period, post-incorporation period 1st May to 31st March, total 11 months. So time ratio will be 1:11, but they have asked us to calculate weighted time ratio, which is time ratio into number of workers. So pre-incorporation period 1 month into 4 workers 4, post-incorporation period 11 months into 20 workers 220. If you want to end up here 4:220 or 4 divided by 224, 220 divided by 224, but I want to make it more little okay, shorter ratio. So in 4 table I have tried whether it will be divided. Take out your calculators and divide 220 divided by 4. It will be 55. Okay, so 4 ones are 4, 55s are 220. So ratio will be 1 plus 55, 1 by 56, 1 plus 55, it will be 56. So 1 by 56, 55 by 56. This is weighted time ratio. But he asked not only weighted time ratio, to distribute the wages also. Calculation of distribution of wages to, okay, total wages to pre-incorporation and post-incorporation. Total wages into weighted time ratio. Pre-incorporation period wages is equals to rupees 1,20,000 total wages into 1 by 56. It comes around 2,142.8 something. So you consider it as 2,143. Next, post-incorporation period wages 1,20,000 into 55 by 56. It will be around 1,17,857. So here comes the question number 5 also. Next one, generally this type of question will be asked in the long question, but here they asked in short. From the following information calculate goodwill 2 years purchase. How many years of purchase? 2 years of purchase of super profits. Capital employed, generally in long question capital employed we will calculate. Here he already gave. Average profits without any adjustments. FMP calculation के लिए average profits use करते हैं. Normal rate of return NRR, this is NRR 10%. So with these we need to calculate goodwill under super profits method. So let us calculate question number 7. Answer: statement showing valuation of goodwill under super profits method. Particulars: amount in rupees, 2 columns. Step 1, capital employed. Directly given, so no need to do assets minus liabilities. Directly 2,80,000 you take. Step 2, calculation of normal profit. We call it as NP. Normal profit is equals to capital employed into NRR, which is 10%. So capital employed 2,80,000 into 10%, it is 28,000. Next we need to calculate future maintainable profit FMP in step 3. Average profit of past few years is given 50,000, which we have taken, plus or minus adjustments if any we need to do, but here there are no adjustments. Sometimes there will be adjustments like remuneration to partners or alternative premises, say income itna ata ebanna cheptu untadu anamata. And income from investments, don't forget it, that also we need to deduct for calculating FMP. సో ఇక్కడ ఏం లేవు కాబట్టి టోటల్ 50,000. నెక్స్ట్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఆఫ్ సూపర్ ప్రాఫిట్, నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్. సో సూపర్ ప్రాఫిట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు FMP minus NP, 50,000 minus 28,000, step 3 minus step 2, 22,000. Step 5, value of goodwill. Goodwill is equals to super profit into number of years of purchase under super profits method. So 22,000 into 2 years, it will be goodwill is equals to 44,000 rupees. Here ends the answer for valuation of goodwill also. Next one is relating to 5th unit only, another question. From the following information, calculate value per share under yield method. Okay, which method? Yield method. So let us see the yield method problem. Average profits is rupees 1,87,500. This will be your expected profit, as there is no other adjustments. How much will be transferred to general reserve, how much is preference dividend, nothing is there. So whatever is 1,87,500 is there, that will be your expected profit. Our step 1 for calculating yield method. Share capital, very interesting one. 15,000 shares of rupees 100 each, rupees 50 paid. So your total paid up share capital will be 15,000 into rupees 50 we need to take, it will be 7,50,000. ये आपको स्टेप 2 में यूज़ होता है, ఇది మనకి స్టెప్ 2లో యూజ్ అవుతుంది. 15,000 ఇంటూ పేడ్ అప్ షేర్ క్యాపిటల్ 50 రూపీస్, 7,50,000 టోటల్ పేడ్ అప్ షేర్ క్యాపిటల్. ఓకే, normal rate of return NRR is given 15%. This will be used in the final step 3. So let us calculate without wasting further more time. So question number 8 answer. They already gave us expected profit or average profit 1,87,500. Step 2, expected rate of return ERR. Share capital equals to, just now we have calculated a note, share capital is equals to 15,000 shares at rupees 50 each, paid up value only you take rupees 7,50,000. ERR, expected profit divided by paid up share capital into 100 is the formula. So rupees 1,87,500 divided by 7,50,000 into 100, 25% we are getting. Therefore ERR, expected rate of return, is 25. वो मुझे लिखना नहीं आ रहा था. अच्छा, ओके. नेक्स्ट स्टेप 3, yield value per share is equals to ERR by NRR into paid up value per share. Each share it is rupees 50, so here we need to take 50, and here total paid up share capital we need to take in step 2. So 25 divided by 15%, 25% divided by 15%, or 25 divided by 15 into rupees 50 paid. Yield value per share is 83.33. That will be your answer. So fatafat danadan 14 to 15 minutes we have completed the entire video relating to this November December 2021. So आपको क्या करना है, మనం ఏం చేయాలి అంటే ఫటాఫట్ వీడియో చూసుకొని దోస్తులకు షేర్ చేయాలి, share it with your friends. That's it. Total 7 videos I have uploaded for short questions. You can find that in the description link, and important questions list also there for short long questions, and how to prepare for advanced accounting is mentioned in that. You can find those all in description of this video. And one more thing, Jai Hind. शेयर करो बस. File of this video I'll provide in the description of the video. ఈ వీడియో డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో మీకు ఈ నోట్స్ అంతా దొరికిపోతుంది. You can find it from there. That's it. Jai Hind.